So today I'm heading out to Springfield, Pointe, and Bloomingdale, Illinois. And we're gonna be meeting up with Julie there, and she's gonna give us a tour around.
It's such a great location at Springfield Pointe because we have access to 355, which is very close. The train station is about 5 minutes away. We have great shopping and restaurants galore in this whole area. Currently we're in phase 1 and we're almost sold out. We have a handful of lots left, and phase 2 will be starting at the end of summer. So we're offering $10,000 off options or lot premiums on phase 1.
So how many plans do you have here at Springfield Pointe?
We have 6 different plans, 5 2-story and 1 ranch home.
Okay, and what's the square footage range?
It's 2,300 to 3,400 square feet. They range from 3-bedroom to 6-bedroom. We have in-law arrangements here also, and the baths they range from 2.5 to 5 bathroom. We're in the Cambria Model right now, and this is 2,800 square feet, and we did add a sunroom on here, so it's around 3,000 square feet.
As we go in here into the great room, you have a nice open plan I see here. Fireplaces, that's an option that folks can add. But what if there's not a fireplace? What do you do there?
So if there's not a fireplace, there's 4 windows. You get 2 additional windows there, so it's beautiful, it's wide open.
Great splash of light in here then.
Yep.
People can customize and change things around and add selections to suit their taste, correct?
That is correct, Sean. They can do upgraded trim. We have a gourmet kitchen where you can do built-in appliances, quartz countertops.
Countertops, what comes standard in these?
Standard in the kitchen is granite.
And this is the sunroom you were talking about.
Yes.
This is a nice option that people are starting to add a lot in their homes.
Yes.
Is it popular?
So, yep, in this subdivision, I think pretty much everyone has added the sunroom, and the next best option that everyone's been using is the in-law arrangements on the first floor. So they can, make a wall 4 foot bigger in the den area, and then make the half bath a full bath. Upstairs we have a large loft and 4 bedrooms. The rooms are very generous sizes. The 1 bedroom up here has a walk-in closet, and the master has 2 walk-in closets also.
Oh, nice.
Mm-hmm. So now we're in the master suite here, and a lot of people are putting in the tray ceilings in there. That gives it more height in here. It has the crown in there also.
And it's a really good size for a master. Mm-hmm. You got the king bed in here, plus the nightstands.
Right.
Plenty of room for furniture.
So there's like 2 walk-in closets, and then you come back through to the master suite bathroom here.
So I see here you have a tub and shower combo. What are folks doing in the homes in here?
Yeah, some of the folks are still, continuing with the soaker tub or the jetted jacuzzi tubs, and about half are doing the Serenity showers. That is like the whole wall, and it has rain heads and spray showers in there. It's really nice.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Mm-hmm. So I'm inviting everyone out this weekend to come out and see our decorated model and see what we have to offer.